Kashmiris across the line of control and around the world will observe Right to Self-Determination Day on Sunday, renewing their pledge to continue their struggle for freedom through the plebiscite as acknowledged by the United Nations. It was on 5th January 1949 when the United Nations Security Council passed a resolution supporting the Kashmiris' right to decide their future through the UN-sponsored plebiscite. All parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Kashmir chapter will organize a rally on 5th January in Muzaffarabad to commemorate the Self-Determination Day. The day will be led by APHC AJK convener Ghulam Muhammad Safi along with the political leaders from Azad Kashmir. The organizing committee formed for the event has appealed to the public, political and religious parties, civil society members, students, lawyers and others to participate in the rally, which will begin from the Burhan Wani Shaheed Chowk. Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party has expressed the hope that 2025 will mark a turning point for the peace and liberation of occupied Kashmir and Palestine. DFP acting chairman Mahmood Ahmad Sagar in a statement highlighted the grim human rights situation in occupied Kashmir, where he said that the Indian forces martyred 101 Kashmiris, including 3 minors in 2024 alone. Azad Kashmir Prime Minister Chaudhry Anwarul Haq has urged the Kashmiri diaspora, particularly in the United Kingdom, to play a role in raising awareness about the plight of the people in occupied Kashmir. While interacting with the Kashmiri origin member of the British House of the Lord Qurban Hussain, the Premier called for the efforts to expose India's atrocities in occupied Kashmir. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti has voiced concerns over the systematic use of the government advertisements to stifle the press freedom in occupied Kashmir. In a post on the social media platform X, Mufti highlighted the withholding of the advertisements to a majority of the local news outlets by the Information Department, even 3 months after the new popular government led by Umar Abdullah assumed the office.